Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we have this espresso machine. This is a 15-bar espresso maker with a milk frother for lattes, cappuccinos, and espresso. This does come with a 42-ounce removable water tank. So right here is the Wirsh Cappuccino Espresso Maker. This is the espresso machine home barista. Comes with a 15-bar professional pump, 1450 powerful instant thermo-block heating system, and automatic flow meter, which guarantees the optimal pressure, temperatures, and volumes to expect espressos perfectly. Now you're able to make a perfect espresso at home with the Wirsh home barista machine. So it does have a quick start, fast heating up, 40 seconds espresso without prolonged waiting. This is for everybody. This one has a solid professional filter sleeve holder with 2 inserts, suitable for 1 and 2 ounce cups. So let's just make our way to open it up. You can see here at the top, it's a 15-bar pump pressure, steam and frother, perfect temperature, and a quick start. So let's open this. So this does a single and double. It's up to you. You can decide if you want a double shot or a single shot with the espresso. So first off, you have the user manual. I would recommend reading this whole book before you actually start to use this espresso maker. This is just how to get to know your coffee maker, your preheating, some little notations in here, some King Espresso coffee, some extraction tips, hints, warnings, automatically proven information and how to clean it. So let's go and open this up. So this is completely compact, convenient. The completely stylish appearance of this brushed stainless steel body, which is a perfect addition to your modern kitchen without taking up too much space. It's very small, plus it's convenient. The bright LED lights indicates for each function. 24-ounce removable water tank. The detachable drip tray is easy to remove to fill taller cups and easy to clean up. So taking this apart, you just lift these two sides apart. And right here we have the bottom of the power plug. So this will be your actual coffee cup where you'd put your coffee in, your grounds. And then it does come with a little spoon with a measuring cup. Some of these are actually 2 cups in here. You can see right here, stainless steel as well. This is the bottom of the unit. This is the removable drip tray. This is easy to clean up. If you drip any coffee in here, you just lift this up and clean it. So this is the front side. We're going to move it to the side. This is where you're going to dispense your milk to make it frothy for your cappuccinos. So this is off. This is all the way down. It's turning on. It'll give a little bit of water and it'll steam it. So now what we're going to do is pull out the steamer spout. So this spout right here will go into your cup and it will actually steam up the milk to make it froth for your cappuccino. So now we're going to put some water in. Here is the big reservoir. It is a 24-ounce reservoir. It is removable. At the bottom it has a little cork in there. So when you buy this, you'll have to pull that out in order for it to dispense some water. And this is the left side. This top pad right here does heat up. So if you have your coffee cups and you want to keep it basically warm, just set them up on here because this is a heating metal pad. You've got your power button, single, double shot, and you have your steam for your frother. So now we're going to put on the drip tray. We're going to go ahead and dispense some cappuccino. So here at the top, you have your power button, single shot, double shot, and your steam for your froth. That does get hot, so I would recommend being careful with that. So we're going to add a little bit of water in here in the reservoir. See, it fills up the max line right here. And when you're done, you just close it up just like that. So now we're going to dispense a cup of water just to make 1 cup of cappuccino. Close the top. Now we're going to put in our coffee blend. It does come with this spoon, and this actually makes it where you can pat it down so it's easier to dispense. Just put it over here, slide it sideways to your right, and it gets into the locking position. I'm going to add my coffee at the bottom, the cup. I have another cup set aside for my milk to put in for my cappuccino. I do use fat-free so it doesn't get really frothy. So first off, we're going to turn the buttons on. I want a double shot, so I'm going to hit the 2 cups. The button looked kind of weird, especially on the camera. So you push it and hold it, and it should dispense your coffee or whatever you have in there, your cappuccino. Whatever you like to make espressos, cappuccinos, lattes, macchiato, flat white, or Americano. The Wirsh Espresso coffee machine has a built-in commercial grade stainless steel steam wand, provides you many options to create your favorite coffee drinks. So right now you can see it's dispersing my cappuccino. Once that's finished, we're going to go ahead and froth my milk, and then I will let you listen to it. It's very soft. It's not so loud. Like other coffee machines can be really loud. This one is not. It's very quiet. So now we're going to pull out the stainless steel wand. You want to hold your cup at an angle. Push this side button. So now that my cappuccino mix is frothed, my milk, it got a little extra frothed. This is a fat-free milk, so it still gives good froth. So now I'm just going to dump in my coffee into my cappuccino milk mix, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and taste it. Now to clean the spout, all you do is need a washcloth with regular water, and that will clean it up. So if you're interested in a small coffee machine that doesn't take up much counter space and want your espresso, cappuccino, lattes, I would definitely check out this machine. This machine is fantastic. You can see that it did froth my milk, which is fat-free milk, very well. And it does come with your measuring cups. You got your 2 and 1 cup, which are double and single shots. So go ahead and check this one out. You will definitely like this one. I am pleased with this. I love this. And I love making my cappuccinos with this machine.